If this stereo sensor fails, what if there is no help? Put this three-dimensional. Take this sensor, remove it. Turn this control on first. Open. Get this controller out. Find that sensor, that wire. This is the sensor. It's the wire for the power sensor. Take this thread off. This thread is red, black, and blue. Pull it out. Unplug it and then pull him out. Send it out. Just pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. And we remove the worm. Remove the air handle. Distinguish his words. Just use this special tool. Differentiate this from the top. Remove the gas cylinder. Then put the sensor. If you take it off, it will be removed. After dismantling, then get a new one.